Hello, everyone. Welcome to this week's edition of Weekly Wisdom from Directly Business Coaching and Concepts. Today, we're tackling the number one concern for small and mid-sized businesses in 2025, inflation. Recent data shows a record 58% of business owners now cite inflation as their top challenge, the highest level ever recorded. And if you're challenging the fact the pressure is real, 85% of business owners report that they're losing sleep over financial concerns on everything from cash flow management to rising costs and the struggle to generate revenue. And 61% of startups are fearing the impact of higher prices, with 40% including concerns about rising taxes and insurance. Even through the many business owner conversations I have, financial anxiety is incredibly high. There is good news. You can take control and build business resilience. Here are a few best practices to consider. Assess and organize your finances. Separate business and personal accounts. Track every expense and use digital tools or an advisor for clarity. Create a detailed, flexible budget. Break down expenses, set category limits, and include contingency funds for surprises. Review and trim costs, and do this regularly. Audit subscriptions, negotiate with suppliers, and cut what doesn't add value. Set clear, achievable financial goals. Use the SMART goal method to track progress monthly to stay on course, even as conditions change. Businesses that implement these steps see real results, up to a 20% reduction in overall expenses, improved cash flow and faster payment cycles, and greater confidence and less stress for owners and teams. Inflation is a challenge, but it's also an opportunity to strengthen your business. Take these steps to regain control, reduce stress, and set your business up for lasting success. As Winston Churchill famously said, success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts.